Hello ladies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you want to see how I'm using rice water to grow my hair longer and stronger, keep watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss a video in this hair growth series. So this hair growth secret has been used by Asian women for centuries. These days, the Yao women in China are known for using fermented rice water to wash their hair, leaving them with gorgeous, strong, super long, thick, healthy hair. In fact, some people call them the Rapunzels of China. Rice water is said to repair damage, promote growth by increasing blood circulation to the scalp and reducing inflammation. It's said to maximize length retention by penetrating the hair strands, strengthening and repairing damage from within. It's also rich in antioxidants, which is great for cell regeneration. So let's jump into this tutorial. You'll need a mason jar, half a cup of organic rice, and water. So there's many ways to make rice water, but I like using the fermentation method, so that's what I'll show you here. All you have to do is wash the rice at least twice to get rid of any particles and impurities that are lingering around in your water. Then you want to fill up the mason jar with water, seal the jar, shake it up to mix the contents, and then place it in a dark place for 24 hours so that the rice ferments. After 24 hours, strain the rice, transfer the rice water into a spray bottle, and apply it to freshly washed hair. As you can see, I parted my hair into 4 sections, detangled and saturated each section with rice water. So I have been using this hair treatment since the end of January, and I've definitely noticed that my hair has gotten stronger and easier to detangle. I use it every week, but I do want to caution you, this does act like a mild protein treatment. So if you have protein sensitive hair, you may want to use it once a month as a special hair treatment. Okay, so next I layer a moisturizing deep conditioner on each section of my hair to maintain a proper moisture protein balance. I like using this deep conditioner from Shea Moisture with my rice water treatments. Then I sit under a hair dryer or a steamer for 45 minutes to an hour. This is what my hair looks like after sitting under the dryer for an hour. Don't mind the extra white coating. I went overboard with the deep conditioner. My hair does feel soft and manageable. It feels great, and I'm gonna go wash it out now. Finally, I rinse my hair out with cold water, and yes, this is what my hair looks like when it's all done. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please click that like button. Also, let me know down below what your thoughts are about this hair treatment and if you've ever tried it before. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Deuces.